Are the oils you cook with harming your health? Today, we're uncovering the common cooking oils that you should avoid to protect your well-being. Stick around to find out which oils you need to ditch from your kitchen. If you find this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Let's get straight to it. First on the list is vegetable oil. Many people use vegetable oil thinking it's a healthy choice, but it's often a blend of different oils like soybean, corn, and canola. The problem with vegetable oil is that it's highly processed and often contains unhealthy trans fats. Trans fats raise bad cholesterol levels and lower good cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It's best to steer clear of vegetable oil and opt for healthier alternatives. Canola oil is another common cooking oil that you might want to avoid. While it's often marketed as a heart-healthy oil due to its low saturated fat content, most canola oil is made from genetically modified GMO crops. The refining process can also lead to the formation of harmful trans fats. Additionally, the high omega-6 content in canola oil can contribute to inflammation in the body. Instead, consider using oils with a better balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Soybean oil is widely used in processed foods and cooking, but it has its drawbacks. Like canola oil, most soybean oil comes from GMO crops and is highly processed. It's also very high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation if consumed in excess. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. For a healthier option, try oils that are less processed and have a better fatty acid profile. Corn oil is another oil to be cautious about. It's commonly used in frying and baking, but it's highly processed and often contains trans fats. Corn oil is also high in omega-6 fatty acids, contributing to the imbalance of fatty acids in the diet that can lead to inflammation. Considering the potential health risks, it's better to limit your use of corn oil and choose healthier cooking oils. Palm oil is widely used in packaged foods and cooking, but it comes with health and environmental concerns. While it is relatively stable for cooking at high temperatures, palm oil is high in saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Moreover, the production of palm oil has led to significant deforestation and loss of wildlife habitats. Opting for more sustainable and healthier oils is a better choice for both your health and the environment. Shortening and margarine, though not oils per se, are worth mentioning due to their common use in cooking and baking. These products are often made from partially hydrogenated oils, which are high in trans fats. Trans fats are known to increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Instead of using shortening or margarine, consider healthier alternatives like butter or plant-based spreads made without hydrogenated oils. Another oil to be wary of is grapeseed oil. While it's often touted for its high smoke point and neutral flavor, grapeseed oil is very high in omega-6 fatty acids. As mentioned earlier, a high intake of omega-6 fatty acids can lead to inflammation. Additionally, the extraction process for grapeseed oil often involves high heat and chemicals, which can affect its nutritional quality. Look for oils that are cold-pressed and have a better fatty acid balance. Coconut oil has been popularized as a health food in recent years, but it's important to use it in moderation. Coconut oil is high in saturated fats, which can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels. While it does have some beneficial properties, such as medium-chain triglycerides that can boost metabolism, it's best not to rely on coconut oil as your primary cooking oil. Balance it with other oils that are higher in unsaturated fats. So what are the healthier alternatives? Extra virgin olive oil is a great choice. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can benefit heart health. Avocado oil is another excellent option with a high smoke point and a good balance of fats. It's also rich in vitamins and antioxidants. For high heat cooking, consider using oils like high oleic sunflower oil or peanut oil, which are more stable at higher temperatures and have healthier fat profiles. In summary, avoiding highly processed and trans fat-laden oils can significantly benefit your health. Opt for oils that are less processed and have a better balance of healthy fats. By making these simple changes in your kitchen, you can improve your overall well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell and leave a comment below with any questions or experiences you'd like to share.